How to fix app not opening problem. Hello friends, so welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'll tell you that how you can fix the app not opening problem. Okay, so guys, if you are facing this kind of problem in your mobile, okay, if any of your app is not working, then how you can fix this problem in this video I'll tell you that. Okay, so if you are waiting to fix this problem, then guys you have to watch this full video. Guys, you need to do some solution for it. Okay, if the apps stops opening, then guys you need to do the troubleshooting process, and after that guys your problem will be definitely fixed. Okay, so I'll tell you here, so just follow whatever solution I'm going to show you, and after that problem will be solved. Okay, so now guys, let's start the video without wasting any more time. But guys, before that, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So now let's get started. So guys, at the first, okay, if your app is not opening, for example your WhatsApp is not opening, or for example your Twitter is not opening, so guys what you have to do is go to Play Store, search for that application. Okay, if your WhatsApp is not opening, then guys you have to search for the WhatsApp, and then guys you have to update it. Or if your Instagram is not opening, okay, or it may be any app, so just go to Play Store, search it and update it. Okay, update is the biggest solution here. So after the update, the bugs problem get fixes, and guys latest features will get added. So after update the application, restart your device and check whether it is opening or not. If your problem is solved, then guys it's great. If your problem is not solved, then guys let's go to setting. Okay, and then guys scroll down until you find apps, go to apps, and then guys go to manage app, or you may find here install app. And then guys here you have to search for that application which app is not opening. Okay, which application is not opening. For example, if it is Facebook, then guys you have to go to Facebook here, and if it is WhatsApp, then guys you have to go for the WhatsApp. Okay, go to the application, go to that application which is not opening, and then guys you have to click on the clear data. Okay, so you have to clear all the data from the application, and after clearing the data, go to app permissions, allow the permissions, and after that go to restrict data users, disable the restrict data and enable it, and after that click OK, and now restart your device once again, and guys check it, your problem will be solved. Okay, so many of the people get their problem solved after doing this solution. So if your problem is also solved, then guys it's great. And if you are still having the same problem, then guys you need to uninstall the application. Okay, just uninstall the application, that's it. Uninstall, and guys you have to reinstall it from the Play Store. Okay, and guys if you need, then guys you can update the software also. Okay, so update your mobile software as well if your app still continuously not opening. So after the update of your software and after the reinstallation of the app, the problem will be fixed. Okay, so that's it, your problem will be fixed by doing all the solution, and your app will open. Okay, so I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.